Want to get monetized fast without spending a single dollar? You don't need ads, you don't need luck, just the right strategy. In this video, I'll reveal the secret formula to hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours organically. Stay till the end for the fastest hack. The biggest mistake? Picking the wrong niche. If you want fast monetization, focus on high retention, binge-worthy content. AI and tech, money and side hustles, motivation and self-improvement, entertainment and facts. Pro tip: search for trending topics using Google Trends and YouTube Analytics to get more views. Upload 3 to 5 YouTube Shorts daily. Shorts go viral fast and bring thousands of subscribers. Create 8+ minute-long videos. More watch time equals faster monetization. Use trending sounds and engaging visuals. Canva, InVideo, and Pictory can help. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds, no boring intros, secret hack. End every short with a call to action like watch full video in the comments. This pushes traffic to long videos and speeds up watch hours. Use viral keywords in titles and descriptions. Create click-worthy thumbnails. Engage with comments and reply fast. YouTube promotes videos with high interaction. Share your video in Facebook groups, Reddit, and forums. Free traffic boost. Bonus growth hack. Post your shorts on Instagram Reels and TikTok with your YouTube link in bio. More views equals more subs. So, are you ready to get monetized? Comment monetize me below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks.